Good day to everyone. My name is Gail Martin.
And I'm Kimberly Mendoza.
And we will be presenting about color changing. So the materials we have here are milk, cotton buds, dishwashing soap, and some food coloring. This is color orange, color red, and color violet.
Step is pour enough milk into the dinner plate to completely cover the bottom to the depth of about 1/4 inch. Allow the milk to settle.
Add 1 drop of each of the 3 colors of food coloring, orange, violet, red, to the milk. Keep the drops close together in the center of the plate of milk.
The third step is find a cotton buds for the next part of the experiment. Predict what will happen when you touch the tip of the cotton buds to the center of the milk. It is important not to stir the mix. Just touch it with the tip of the cotton buds. Go ahead and try it. Did anything happen?
Now place a drop of liquid dish soap on the other end of the cotton buds. Place the soapy end of the cotton swab buds in the middle of the milk and hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. Look at that burst of color. It's like the 4th of July in a bowl of milk.
The last but not the least step is add another drop of soap to the tip of the cotton buds and try it again. Experiment with placing the cotton buds at different places in the milk. Notice that the colors in the milk continue to move even if the cotton buds are not in it.
Milk is mostly water, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, proteins, and tiny droplets of fat suspended in solution. Fats and proteins are sensitive to changes in the surrounding solution. The secret of the bursting colors is the chemistry of that tiny drop of soap. Dish soap, because of its bipolar characteristics, weakens the chemical bonds that hold the proteins and fats in solution. The soap's polar or hydrophilic ends dissolves in water, and its hydrophobic end attaches to a fat globule in the milk. This is when the fun begins. The molecule of fat bend, roll, twist, and contort in all directions as the soap molecules race around to join up with the fat molecules. During all of this fat molecules gymnastics, the food coloring molecules are bumped and shoved everywhere, providing an easy way to observe all the invisible activity. As the soap becomes evenly mixed with the milk, the action slows down and eventually stops.
Chemistry is a fun subject to be studied. You can experiment different stuffs and know how the things surrounded by us works. But sometimes, you need to work hard for that experiment.
And a lot of stuff should be studied before making this experiment. And thank you for listening and watching our video.
Hope you learned something.
Thank you. To the depth of about 4.5 inch. Allow the milk to settle.
Water and its hydrophobic
To move even if the cotton when the cotton
If so, you discover that there are still if so, you discover that there